So, wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the Osisko Development's corporate update on Commodity TV. Gold is breaking out to new highs and is trading at an all-time high. The 5-year chart already shows this, and the 200-day moving average has been breached from below and above by the 50-day moving average, which is a very positive sign. However, gold stocks are struggling to keep up, and there are many good stocks such as Osisko Development. The company successfully announced an update for the mineral resources at the Trixie deposit in the Tintic project. The measured resource of nearly 120,000 tons, grading 23.3 grams gold per ton and 61.7 grams silver per ton, returned over 105,400 ounces gold and almost 238,000 ounces silver. The indicated resource has grades of 11.1 grams gold per ton and almost 60 grams silver per ton, for a total of 44,800 ounces gold and over 240,000 ounces silver. The inferred resource of over 201,000 tons, with grades of 7.8 grams gold per ton and 48.5 grams silver, returned over 50,500 ounces gold and 314,600 ounces silver. The 2024 mineral resource estimate includes an additional 1,674 underground chip samples over 1,678 meters of underground development and almost 7,400 meters of drilling in 122 holes completed by the company since the release of the initial Trixie resource estimate last year. Compared to 2023, gold ounces contained in measured and indicated resources decreased by 29% and inferred resources decreased by 79%, primarily due to lower estimated grades, incorporating an updated interpretation of the geologic model and a conversion of inferred resources. Drill results and underground mapping from the 2023 exploration program improved knowledge of the extent and distribution of mineralization, resulting in improved modeling of both mineralization and the historical mine shape model. Chris Lotter, the president, said, "The 2024 MRE for Trixie incorporated changes to our interpretation of key mineralized structures and reflects a better understanding of the structural controls on the deposit as well as realistic mining parameters following our exploration and test mining work in 2023. To date, less than 10% of the known mineralized structures in the West Tintic district have been explored and mined. We therefore see significant precious metal potential at depths on structures parallel to Trixie, along the Trixie and Sioux Ajax faults to the north and south, and around all of the historic high-grade gold mines in the West Tintic district. These high-grade gold targets, combined with the copper-gold porphyry potential, where drilling is underway, and a large area of polymetallic carbonate replacement potential, shows that we have only scratched the surface to understand the full metal potential of the Tintic district." This said Chris Lotter. At first glance, this looks like a step backwards. However, we see this as a positive, because in mining you always have to remain flexible and adapt to the circumstances in order to be successful finally. The team around Sean Rosen and Chris Lotter has proven this masterfully in the past. In 2023, the company completed a total of 6,028 meters of underground drilling in 73 diamond drill holes at Trixie. Results were completed up to drill hole TRXU DD23069 and included in the 2024 resource estimate for Trixie. The new drilling, mapping and compilation of historical data improved the interpretation and demonstrated that there is significant potential for parallel high-grade gold fissure zones similar to T2 and adjacent to the existing mine development. Much of the Trixie area remains unexplored. At Trixie, the exploration potential at depths near the historic adits, which had ceased mining at the water table, remains highly prospective. The Trixie deposit remains open to the north along strike from T2 down dip below the historic 756 vein and down dip to the survey vein, and additional parallel structures are highly probable within the epithermal system. The company continues to explore additional high sulphidation epithermal gold and silver targets along the 4-kilometer strike lengths of the historic mines and has identified at least a dozen new drill-ready targets following extensive data compilation and regional fieldwork in 2023. Further work will test these targets. Porphyry targets will also be drilled. The copper-gold molybdenum porphyry potential remains an exploration priority for the company. A diamond drill rig is currently active on surface testing a porphyry target at Big Hill and is currently at a depth of 1,180 meters. Results from this hole are pending. One hole tested a copper-gold porphyry target below Trixie and was drilled to a depth of almost 760 meters when it intersected the Eureka Lily Fault to the east and outside the prospective alteration zone. Further drill testing of a copper-gold porphyry target at depths below the Trixie deposit is recommended to the west. Development of the 1,390 meters decline ramp at Trixie completed in September 2023, significantly improving access to the underground workings for exploration, development and drilling beyond the 625 level. The company has advanced rehab on the 750 level to enable further underground diamond drilling to explore the down-dip extent of the 756 zone and the porphyry target below Trixie. Osisko Development is driving development, and we see the stock as bombed out on the point and figure chart, and our lower price target at around $2.80 has been reached. The price should hold here, and the share could initiate a reversal formation to the upside. I bought yesterday again. A first price target would then be $5 followed by $8. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. We look forward to your like, and more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channel. Please note the disclaimer. The shares discussed is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and of course I'm a shareholder in the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye bye from Switzerland.